Good day everyone, in this video we're going to talk about qualitative research, its nature and characteristics. But before that, let's have a short review about the nature of research. First question is, what is research? Research is a systematic approach that involves data gathering, analyzing, and interpretation in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Pretty much, research is something that you do in order to find answers to existing questions, to find solutions to an identified problem, or pretty much try to find an answer to something that is unclear or something that you are uncertain about. Next, why conduct research? First and foremost, research is a means to find answers to questions or solutions to problems. Meaning, a person who wants to find answers to certain questions that he has about a certain topic or phenomenon may conduct a research in order to find answers, in order to find solutions or clarifications. Also, research is conducted in order for us to find solutions to an existing problem. One example would be the COVID-19 vaccine, which is a product of extensive and thorough research in order to address a problem, which is the COVID-19 pandemic. Furthermore, research is a tool for building knowledge and efficient learning. We have to understand that research, as mentioned earlier, is a tool or a means to find answers to questions or to have solutions to problems. Whenever we obtain answers to questions, it helps us have additional knowledge or additional understanding about a certain topic that is involved in research. This further results to us having a deeper understanding about the various issues which are involved in research. Next, research is an aid for business success and advertising. Remember that for a business to become successful, they must have ample research in order to identify which particular product would be beneficial, which particular product would be trending, and which particular product would be most appropriate to the people or to the target audience or target clients. Furthermore, different kinds of advertising strategies are also a product of research. And lastly, research is a way to verify truths and debunk myths. Research is one way for us to determine whether a particular statement, a particular news, or a particular information is truthful or not. Without research, we would simply be believing everything that we're going to see online. We have to remember that everything is already available online. With this in mind, it is our responsibility to ensure or verify whether these information are indeed reliable or simply fake. Now, at this point, we're going to discuss what qualitative research is. Qualitative research, according to Creswell in 1994, is an inquiry process of understanding a social or human problem based on building a complex, holistic picture formed with words, reporting detailed views of informants, and conducted in a natural setting. Meaning, qualitative research involves the testimonies, opinions, and ideas, as well as the experiences of the different participants regarding a particular topic or phenomenon, which is the focus of the research. Now I proceed with discussing the characteristics of qualitative research. In terms of assumptions, qualitative research assumes that the world is complex, meaning there is no single variable or number that can explain such phenomena. Furthermore, qualitative research sees reality that is understood from the perspectives or stories of the participants. Meaning to say, in qualitative research, the reality of the world is relative to the perspectives of each individual. And since each individual has different experiences or different perspectives, results tend to be subjective as it is based on the perspectives of each participant. For goal and purpose, qualitative research aims to understand social phenomena, seek meaning, and interpret reality as based on the perspectives of the participants. Also, qualitative research aims to gain insight, describe events and patterns, and increase understanding of ideas, feelings, beliefs, and motives of the participants. In other words, qualitative research aims to present the world through the perspectives, emotions, and ideas of the participants. One of the great characteristics of qualitative research is that it always involves the meaningful experiences of each individual. It emphasizes on the fact that each individual's experiences are meaningful and unique, and as such, each of these experiences would contribute how the world or how the entire reality can be explained or can be interpreted. In terms of sampling and data gathering, qualitative research sampling tends to be small, purposive, and context-specific. Meaning to say, in qualitative research, participants are carefully selected as they need to be individuals who are fully knowledgeable about the topic being studied. As compared to quantitative research, which would require a huge number of participants in order for the results to be accurate, reliable, and generalizable, in qualitative research, we focus on the fact that the participants have to be individuals who have had actual experience or knowledge about the topic that is being covered. This would allow them to share meaningful ideas, meaningful insights, and meaningful stories that would contribute to how the story or how the research would be interpreted or discussed. In terms of data gathering, qualitative research uses interviews, observations, focus group discussions, and immersions. In qualitative research, the researcher plays an active role as he has direct interaction with the participants of the study. Now at this moment, we're going to discuss the difference between qualitative and quantitative research. Quantitative research requires a large population sample. Also, quantitative research involves numeric data and statistical treatment. Furthermore, quantitative research uses graphs and charts for data presentation. Pretty much in quantitative research, primarily speaking, it would require numbers and huge amounts of respondents in order to establish a general fact. Whereas in qualitative research, qualitative research, as opposed to quantitative research earlier, requires a small population, particularly carefully selected participants. This is to ensure that each individual or each participant selected is able to share meaningful experiences, actual information, ideas, and opinions based on their first-hand experience or understanding about the topic being discussed. Furthermore, qualitative research greatly considers the ideas and testimonies of the participants and focuses on actual experiences encountered by the respondents. We have to understand that no two experiences are the same, meaning to say that the perspectives of each individual are greatly affected by their experiences. These experiences or these differences in terms of their experience and perspectives allows the researchers to explore and determine how various factors contribute to the experience and perspectives of these participants. In a nutshell, research is a systematic process that helps individuals to seek answers to questions, which in turn results to improvement of knowledge and enhanced understanding towards certain phenomena. Also, qualitative research is a kind of research that takes into consideration the perspectives and experiences of the participants. This helps the researchers have a clearer understanding of how the world is seen from the point of view of the participants. And lastly, as researchers, it is imperative that we are able to recognize the different characteristics of qualitative research in order for us to determine which kind of research is best suited to our objectives.